All right, welcome back. Well, I want to discuss with you today a little bit about our class teams and our point system for parties. Now, this is kind of a behavior plan, and in this class, it is a very difficult discipline. Music is a difficult discipline, and discipline is not something I do to you, but it's something that you are. You have to become a disciplined musician, and that's what we're going to learn to do this year. And discipline is how you take pride in a quiet rehearsal, how you work and do the things that you're asked to do. You come to class on time and be early if you can be. You enter the band room with respect. You come to class prepared with your instrument and your materials that you need every day, and you're focused during classes and rehearsals, and understanding that there is a time to work and a time to play, and that you will take pride in perfecting those little details of the class, perfecting those little instrument passages or those playing passages that are difficult. You also, discipline is presenting yourself to be a person of character. And that is what discipline actually is. And we're going to help you learn that this year. I had a phenomenal group last year, and I have every hope that you're going to be just as good or even better than they were last year. Well, here's how the class teams work. First of all, you're separated by woodwind class, brass class, or percussion class, and each team can earn points throughout the day. And as I tally those points up throughout the week, I'll let you know whose team is in the lead. By the end of the first trimester, or the end of the second trimester, or the end of the third trimester, we'll calculate all those points up, and the team that has the most behavioral good points will get a class party. And that's really fun because we just don't play that day. We put our instruments away and we play class games together, and it's a great time. But you have to work hard towards those points because I can take them away just as easily as I can give them. So you want to make sure that you don't do anything that would cause a consequence for your team, because it hurts not just you, it will hurt your entire team. So that's how it works, and we'll talk more about that next week when I get back, and the team points. But now I'm going to have your sub show you some YouTube videos. These are some fun videos that show you what the instruments look like and sound like, and hopefully get you excited about playing your instrument. And if you do have change of heart and you want to play a different instrument, you better make that change this week, because the very last day to change actually was last Friday. But if you change within your class, say you were going to play flute and now you decide you want to play a clarinet, you can still do that. We need to have kind of a balanced instrumentation, and I'll talk more about that on Monday when I get back to school. So if you find that your band has 25 saxophones in it, we're going to have a saxophone band instead of a normal band. So please make sure we have a good balanced instrumentation, and if you see that there's only 3 flute players, you might decide instead of playing saxophone, you might want to play flute, because each of those instruments are vitally important, and you can play one and then learn to play the other one another year, which is great. Start on the one that's a little bit less busy this year, and go to the other one next year if you'd like to. But that's how we kind of work it here, and I have many students that know how to play more than one. So get your favorites in mind, and we'll let you listen to this, or let you watch this YouTube video about your instrument. And if you have any questions, you may ask after the videos are done. You can pause here and watch the videos.